Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are looking at Mathematics Paper 1, which is 2018. And for those who know how to solve and for those who don't know how to solve, let's see, because for those who know how to solve, they may be part of their revision, and for those who don't know, so let's get started with this solution. Given that f of x is equals to 2x minus 5 and g of x it is equals to x plus 3, and we are told to find f inverse of x. So we have to find the inverse of this one. So let's get started. Solution 1, we are told to find the inverse of this function, which is 2x minus 5. This function, this is f of inverse. So for you to find the inverse, you have to equate this equation to be equals to y. So y it will be equals to 2x minus 5 then 2x minus 5 is equals to y. I've just interchanged the numbers, but I didn't change any sign because I've just taken these numbers which are on this left side to the which are on the right side to the left side. So now we have to make x the substitute from which we are going to say 2x equals, when minus 5 across the equal sign, it will be y plus 5. Then we divide throughout by 2 by 2. Then x it will be equals to y plus 5 over 2. Then the function it will be f inverse of x equals to, you interchange. Now where is y, you substitute with x. So x plus 5 over 2. This is our answer for the first question. And there's the easiest way of finding this inverse of this one. What you do, if you can see, we have whenever you see the number with x, that means it will be the number which will be dividing this function which we're having here. Then the sign here it will change. Then let's move to question 2. Question B, we are told to find the inverse of 10. And if you can see, inverse of 10, we are told that our inverse it is this one. So it is x plus 5 over 2. Then here it will be, where there is x, we substitute it with the 10, in which we are going to say 10 plus 5 over 2, in which it will be 15 over 2. This is the inverse function of 10, where there is 10. Where there is 10, it means that here there is x. This is f of x. So here we substitute where there is x. So this is our answer for question 1b. Question 1b. Then for C, we are told to find it. If you want, you can simplify this one to be equals 5 into 15 it is, or 2 into 15 it is 7 out of 1 over 2, because 2 into 14 it is 7, remainder 1 over 2. It could be this answer. Then let's go to question 3, where we have GF over 3. So GF of 3, that means that we have to take the function of f. Let's write down the function which we have. We have the function of f of x to be equals to 2x plus minus 5, and the g of x it is equals to x plus 3. So here it means that g of f, it means that where there is a function of g at x, we have to get this O equation substitute it to where there is x. So we are going to say here where there is x, we put 2x minus 5, then plus 3. That's all. Then g of 3 to be equals to be 2x minus 5 plus 3, it is minus 2. Then when you substitute with when there is 3, you substitute where x it is 3, it is going to be 3 here minus 2, in which we are going to say 2 times 3, which is 6 minus 2, and the answer it will be 4. This is our answer for number 2. For number 1C. So now let's move on to question 17. Given that y it is equals to, this is for question 17a. 17a. We are given that y it is equals to 2x cubed minus 5x squared plus 4x plus 3, and we are asked to find dy over dx. So that means we are asked to find the differentiation of this polynomial equation which we are having here, in which we are going to say dy over dx, it will be equals to, when you differentiate this one, 3 times 2 is going to be 6x power 2. Then we reduce 1 here, it is going to be power 2. Then minus 2 times 5, which is 10x. Then here when you subtract 1, you remain with only 1, which is x. Then plus, here there is 1 times 4, which is 4. Then minus 1 minus 1, which is 0, any number to the power 0, so x here would disappear. So our answer it would be like this one here. So now let's try to go to question B. B, we are told that in the diagram below, AC it is 10 centimeters, AC 10 centimeters, and angle ABC it is 90, and angle BAC it is 30 degree. So we are told to calculate BC. So for us to calculate BC, we have to follow sine law, in which we are going to say sine theta it is equals to opposite over hypotenuse. Then sine theta we have 30, which is equals to opposite of theta we have a BC over hypotenuse we have 10. Then we are going to say BC it is equals to 10 multiplied by sine 30. And sine 30, if you punch on calculator, it is 0.5. If you follow special angles, which is 0.5, then 10 times 0.5, which is 5 centimeters. So BC it will be 5 centimeters. Question 18, which is this diagram which we are seeing here, which it comes under angles, properties and angles. And from this, we have the circle and the quadrilateral inside and the triangle, which you can see here. And we are told to calculate angle ADC. ADC. How do we calculate the angle of ADC? If you can see here, there is an angle of 120 here. So angle ADC, it is found that so this is 18. Find angle ADC. Angle ADC it is equals to angle ADC it is equals to, here we have O, center O. Angle ADC it is equals to AOC. AOC divided by 2. So that means that we have to divide this angle which we are having at the center angle AOC, which is 120 degree over 2, which is going to be 60. Because this angle here, which is here, it is 2 divided by this one, it is the angle of this one. When you're having this angle, you have to multiply by 2 to get this one here. So let's move on to question 2b, where they're saying find angle ABC. So we have to find angle ABC, and we have found that here it is 60, and angle in the quadrilateral add up to 180. So that means here, if you add this angle which is here plus this one, the answer you get should be 180. So that means we are going to subtract 180 minus 60. This is B. Angle ABC. Angle ABC, we are going to subtract this. So let's say angle ABC, it is we are going to say 180 degree minus 60 degree, which is equals to 120. If you want, you can say 360 minus 120. You can say 360 minus 120, which is 240. Then 240, we are told that this angle here should be divided by 2 for us to get this angle. So 240 divided by 2, which means we are going to have 120. So these angles can be found in different ways. But for us, we have used this property which say angles in the quadrilateral add up to 180. Or if you want, you can say 120, 360 minus 120, which is 240. And 240 divided by 2, it is 120. So now, for C, we are told to calculate angle DEC. So for us to find angle DEC, so if you can see, this is a straight line here. Just that my drawing is somehow confusing, but this one is 180. It add up to 180. So 180 minus 60, it is 120. So that means here we have 120 degree. So if you have 120 degree, and this angle can be found, this angle is equals to one of the angle which is inside here, which means this angle here, it is equals to this angle here. So that means here, if you can see, we have these angles which is here should be equal. So we are going to say 180 degree minus 120 degree, which should be equals to 60 degree. And 60 degree is the sum of this angle and this angle, but we are taught only to find the angle of ADC. So we have to divide this angle by 2, which is equals to 30 degrees. So that means here there is 30 degree and here there is 30 degree. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so the next time you may see the new update. And next time we'll be looking into other questions starting from 19, because we have ended at 18 for the mathematics paper 1.18. For the grade 12, for those who are writing GCE, this is your work. Make sure that you check it well, because this question you have solved it can make you pass. See you next time. Bye bye.